Hey everyone, welcome back to A Car Garage. I'm really excited to have you here today because we're about to check out another incredible vehicle that's creating a lot of buzz in the automotive world. On this channel, I always try to bring you detailed reviews, fresh ideas, and my personal thoughts about the latest cars, campers, RVs, and futuristic rides. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the review, because today's vehicle is something truly special. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Toyota Nomad Camper Van 4WD, a concept-inspired overlanding camper that blends Toyota's legendary reliability with modern adventure-focused engineering. Designed for travelers who want the freedom to explore mountains, forests, deserts, and remote coastlines, this camper van promises comfort, practicality, and impressive off-road capability in one stylish package. From the very first glance, the Toyota Nomad Camper van has a rugged yet refined appearance. The front fascia features a bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and muscular body lines that immediately give it a premium and capable stance. Heavy-duty skid plates, black wheel arch cladding, and integrated tow hooks hint at its off-road intentions, while the aerodynamic design helps improve efficiency during long highway journeys. The raised suspension provides excellent ground clearance, making it easier to tackle rough terrain without compromising ride comfort. Moving to the side profile, the Nomad looks ready for any adventure. Durable alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires provide excellent grip on gravel, mud, and snow. Roof rails support additional gear such as kayaks, bicycles, or rooftop storage boxes. Large windows create an open feel inside the cabin while allowing travelers to enjoy scenic views from almost every angle. Optional side awnings expand the outdoor living space, creating the perfect spot to relax after a long day on the road. At the rear, Toyota has designed the camper with practicality in mind. Wide-opening rear doors provide easy access to the storage compartment and living area. LED tail lights ensure excellent visibility, while integrated recovery points and a trailer hitch add even more versatility for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're towing a small trailer or carrying camping equipment, the Nomad appears ready for almost any adventure. Inside, the cabin is where the Nomad truly shines. Toyota has focused on creating a comfortable, functional, and modern interior that feels more like a compact apartment than a traditional camper van. Premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and clever storage solutions give the interior a refined atmosphere. The seating is supportive for long-distance travel, and the dashboard features a clean, driver-focused layout. The infotainment system is expected to include a large touchscreen display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, integrated navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, voice controls, and multiple USB-C charging ports. A premium sound system provides excellent audio quality whether you're driving through winding mountain roads or relaxing at your campsite. Driver assistance and safety technologies are also expected to be a major highlight. Toyota's advanced safety suite could include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera system. These features help make long journeys more comfortable and increase confidence when driving on unfamiliar roads. One of the biggest attractions of the Nomad camper van is its clever living space. The rear seating area transforms into a comfortable sleeping bed suitable for 2 adults. High quality cushions and a supportive mattress help provide a restful night's sleep after a day of exploration. Large windows and roof ventilation allow fresh air to circulate, creating a bright and comfortable environment. The compact kitchenette makes life on the road much easier. It may include a portable induction cooktop, sink with fresh water supply, refrigerator, storage cabinets, and fold-out preparation space. These features allow travelers to prepare meals almost anywhere without relying on restaurants or campsites. Storage has been thoughtfully integrated throughout the interior. Overhead cabinets, under-seat compartments, wardrobe space, and hidden storage areas make it easy to organize clothes, camping equipment, cooking utensils, and electronics. Every inch of the cabin is designed to maximize functionality without feeling cramped. For travelers who enjoy working remotely, the Nomad could also include a fold-out work table, multiple power outlets, USB charging ports, and optional solar charging capabilities. Combined with auxiliary batteries and efficient power management, the camper can support laptops, lighting, refrigerators, and other essential devices while staying off the grid. Climate comfort is another important feature. Efficient air conditioning, diesel or electric cabin heating, insulated walls, and improved soundproofing ensure a pleasant environment in both hot summers and cold winters. Whether you're camping in snowy mountains or warm coastal regions, the Nomad aims to keep occupants comfortable throughout the year. Under the bonnet, although Toyota has not officially confirmed specifications, many enthusiasts expect the Nomad camper van to use a reliable 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol or turbo diesel engine. Some markets could even receive Toyota's latest hybrid technology, improving both fuel efficiency and low-speed torque for off-road adventures. The engine would likely be paired with a smooth automatic transmission designed to balance highway cruising with trail performance. The intelligent 4WD system is expected to be one of the strongest selling points. With selectable drive modes, hill descent control, locking differential options, traction control, and advanced terrain management, the Nomad should confidently tackle muddy trails, rocky paths, snowy roads, and sandy beaches. Toyota's decades of off-road experience are likely reflected throughout the vehicle's engineering. Ride quality is expected to remain comfortable despite its adventure-focused design. Upgraded suspension components absorb bumps effectively while maintaining stability on paved roads. Long-distance touring should be relaxing, making this camper suitable for both weekend trips and extended cross-country journeys. Fuel economy will naturally depend on the final engine configuration, camper equipment, and driving conditions. However, Toyota's focus on efficiency means owners can expect competitive consumption compared with many larger motorhomes. A hybrid option could significantly improve economy during urban driving and slow off-road travel. Technology extends beyond entertainment. The Nomad may feature wireless smartphone charging, digital instrument displays, connected vehicle services, remote climate control, GPS tracking, over-the-air software updates, and mobile app integration for monitoring battery status and vehicle functions remotely. For outdoor enthusiasts, optional accessories could include solar panels, roof-mounted tents, outdoor shower systems, bike racks, recovery equipment, portable toilets, upgraded water tanks, external cooking stations, and additional storage modules. These accessories allow buyers to customize the camper according to their travel style. Toyota's reputation for durability is another major advantage. Many travelers choose Toyota vehicles because of their long-term reliability, widespread service network, and strong resale value. For people planning international road trips or exploring remote regions, those qualities provide additional peace of mind. In terms of pricing, Toyota has not officially announced final figures for the 2026 Nomad camper van. However, industry estimates suggest a starting price between £45,000 and £60,000, depending on trim level, drivetrain, and camping equipment. Fully equipped adventure packages with premium accessories could cost even more, but they would offer exceptional capability for serious explorers. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Nomad Camper Van 4WD represents an exciting vision of modern adventure travel. It combines rugged off-road performance, smart interior design, advanced technology, practical living space, and Toyota's trusted engineering into one versatile package. Whether you're planning weekend camping trips, cross-country road adventures, or long-term van life experiences, the Nomad appears ready to handle almost any journey with confidence and comfort. That brings us to the end of today's review. If you enjoyed learning about the 2026 Toyota Nomad Camper Van 4WD, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to A Car Garage, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews of campers, SUVs, luxury vehicles, RVs, and futuristic concepts. Thanks for watching, stay safe, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.